Welcome to today's video where we'll uncover the best essential oils for cold and cough. Are you tired of the constant sniffles and looking for a natural remedy? We've got you covered. Today, we'll guide you through a simple blend using frankincense, ginger, eucalyptus radiata, lavender, and tea tree oils. This blend is not only aromatic, but also packed with properties that can alleviate your cold symptoms. Just mix 2 drops of each oil in a diffuser or add it to a warm bath. Remember, always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil if applying topically. So why wait? Start breathing easier today.